Assalamualaikum friends, it's me your host Mamil Khan and you're watching my YouTube channel Online Tips. First of all, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Online Tips, and today I'm here with a new amazing mining site with name is TRX.sd. So guys, here you can invest your minimum amount of TRX and you will generate a huge profit on daily basis. We also discuss how we can register ourselves on their site, because if you are new and you are registering on their site first time, then you will receive 700 TRX as a bonus. So guys, it's a very huge bonus for you for a new member, because 700 TRX meaning 700 TRX meaning approximate $60. So guys, see my complete video without skipping, because today we also discuss how we can generate a real money, a real earning without any investment, because they also offer their referral program where you can earn money as a TRX without any investment in their site. So guys, let's start. Before starting my video in detail, I request you all to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So first, if you want to earn from their site, first you need to register yourself. This is the registration page. If you want to visit the registration page, I also give the link of this site in my video description. You just need to click on it and you will find out this page. After finding out this page, you need to write your mobile number, your login password, your security password, and the invitation code. I also mentioned their invitation code in my video description. After going there, you just need to click and your my invitation code automatically filled at this place. After writing this, you just need to complete this captcha by attach like WSISR. One thing is very necessary, that if here you find capital letter, then you need to write in only capital letter. So after completing this form, you just need to click on the here. After clicking on sign up, you will automatically sign in their page. So it's very simple. I also register myself on their site. So I'm going to sign in page. So here you can see that this is their sign in page. Here you need to write your mobile number and password that you mentioned on your registration page and click on the sign in. So after signing in, here you will find out this page. Here you can see that I have 700 TRX and 200 TRX I deposit to check this site. So after this, you can also see their latest requirements. They are welcoming to you on their cloud mining. If you have any question, please you can contact the official customer service. Their Telegram is here, their WhatsApp, their Telegram group, and other company legal white paper is also here. If you want to get information regarding their project in detail, so you need to download their white paper. So after this, the investment income of the basic wallet is as follows: when the cumulative total investment amount reaches 5 TRX to 100 sorry 10,000 TRX or more, the basic daily cash withdrawal amount is 2.5%. The cumulative total investment is above 30,000 TRX and above 50,000 TRX, then with 3% daily cash withdrawal, the cumulative total investment exceed 200,000 TRX and the daily basic withdrawal is 4%. The cumulative total investment reach more than 500,000 TRX and the basic daily withdrawal limit is 5%. So it's mean if you maximize your investment, then your withdrawal amount will also maximize. You will be able to withdraw maximum amount if you have many maximum investment in their side. So after this successful registration, your wallet account will receive 700 Tron rewards. You can get a stable income of 6% of your account balance every day. Daily basic wallet income will be 700 Tron multiplied by 6%, which means you will generate 42 Tron on daily basis. So after this, we discuss about the referral programs. If you invite your friend A directly and your friend A register themselves in their cloud mining, and your basic account will be rewarded with 30 waves of coins, and friend directly invite friend B to register for cloud mining. Your wallet account will receive 20 Tron rewards, and friend B directly invite friend C to register for cloud mining. Your wallet account will be rewarded with 10 Tron. In addition, group A customers will rebate 10% for every investment. Group B customer will rebate 5% for every investment, and the group C customer will rebate 2% for every investment. So after this, you can also see other calculation on their side, so and other information on their side. So after this, we discuss how we can deposit in their side and how we can withdraw from their side. So you just need to click on the deposit. Here you will find out their address and their QR code. So you need to copy their address and go to your trust wallet or other wallet that you are using for cryptocurrency. So in this side you need to select the Tron and click on the send. Here you need to paste the address that you copied from the site, and the right you write the amount of your TRX that you want to deposit in the site. So one thing is very necessary for you, that your investment should be maximum should be minimum and minimum 5 TRX. So it's very necessary for you so to activate your account, and you if you invest more than 5 TRX, then you will easily withdraw your daily profit from their side. So after this you need to click on the continue, and here you will find out transfer option, so you need to confirm it. So after confirming it, this here you can see that my transaction is pending here. So I also received that trust wallet notification. So let's go to our main site and we discuss whether we receive our money or not. So here you need to just refresh your website. So it's take a time. So before it succeed, we discuss other thing like how we can earn a profit without any investment. So here you can need here you should need to click on the share. Here you will find out this address. This is your referral code. You just need to copy it and send to your friend and family, then you will be able to generate a huge earning without an investment in their site. So let's go to our home page, and here we refresh our site to see whether our investment is successful, whether their site receive our Tron that we deposit from Trust Wallet or not. So here you can see that my Tron mining site balance is 707 TRX. So now we discuss how we can withdraw from their site. So you just need to click on the withdraw. When you click on the withdraw, here you will find out the your daily withdraw limit. Here you just need to select your account, whether which account you are using. There are two types of account, like basic account, promotion account. So after selecting the basic account, I need to write the amount of my withdrawal limit that I want to withdraw from the site, and pasting the receiving address from my trust wallet, and enter your security password that you registered on that you mentioned on the registration page. So after filling these all requirements, you just need to click on the confirm. When you click on the here, you can see that my withdrawal is successful. So it's very easy to use, and you will generate a huge profit on daily basis. So thank you very much to seeing my complete video. Allah Hafiz.